So let's start our development process. So we are straightforward going for the application development. We are not taking care of writing a lot of configurations and all. So we already discussed that we will be using here, we will be using Angular CLI. So Angular CLI is a quicker way or to write the skeleton of the code. Once the skeleton is ready, you can start writing the Angular 2 components. So if you talk about, this is a Angular CLI project, and here we will be creating a sticky note. So right now just a skeleton. If you see this Angular CLI.json, it has everything about your project. So I mean Angular CLI is auto generated, so you already know how to create it. Sudo ng new and your app name, that's it. It will create this application for you, right? And you will have this complete skeleton of code in a single command. First you need to install Angular CLI as a global module. Sorry. So npm install -c. Once you are done with this, then you can just execute this command, sudo ng new app name. So it will create this app for you. And here if you see Angular CLI JSON, it contains a lot of different things. What is your main component? These are polyfill dependencies. Okay, what are the different styles you have? What are the different environments you have? Different environment configurations. For Proctor you have the Proctor config. For the different file for the test where it is using comma is a task runner, and then it is using the default extensions and all. So Angular CLI has everything about your application, and this is controlling the complete applications running, deployment and all these things. From this if you wanted to run your application, then you can just write ng serve. That's it. So it will start compiling your code. Let me just do that. So when you hit it, it will compile your code and it will start your application on 4/2200, right? So let's start our application development. Here we will create a simple component and we will